Hey there, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of ocean-themed decor with a unique piece that's caught our eye. If you're looking to bring a touch of maritime charm into your home, this might just be the perfect fit for you. We're talking about the Rienar Nautical Beach wooden boat ship steering wheel. This beautifully crafted wooden steering wheel isn't just a decorative piece, it's a statement. Made from sturdy pine and hand-painted with meticulous detail, it measures 28 by 28 by 2 centimeters. Making it ideal for hanging on any wall, whether in your living room, bedroom, or even a cozy beach house retreat. Let's talk about what makes this piece stand out. The Rienar steering wheel not only adds a nautical flair but also brings a sense of craftsmanship and authenticity. Its lightweight yet sturdy build ensures durability, while the intricate detailing, from the netting to the shells, captures the essence of ocean life. Whether you're a seasoned sailor or simply someone who loves coastal vibes, this decor item is versatile. It's perfect as a standalone statement piece or as part of a larger nautical-themed collection. Hang it above a mantel, use it to complement a gallery wall, or even as a focal point in a beach-themed nursery. Wrapping up, the Rienar Nautical Beach wooden boat ship steering wheel is more than just decor. It's a piece that tells a story. Whether you're decorating a seaside cottage or bringing a touch of the ocean to an urban apartment, this steering wheel is sure to spark conversation and admiration. If you're ready to bring the best of ocean-themed decor into your home, check out the link in the description below to get your hands on the Rienar Nautical Beach wooden boat ship steering wheel. And hey, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more reviews like this one. Until next time, happy decorating!